got some vegetable oil going in this pan. We're gonna heat this up. I've got a can of these home style buttermilk biscuits, not the flaky kind. You don't wanna use the flaky kind for this. Just pop this open like that. And then we're gonna slowly put these into that hot vegetable oil. Only gonna do a few at a time. Okay, see how they puffed up? Go ahead and turn these around. See how golden brown and delicious they're becoming. And go ahead and cook the other side, and then I'm gonna do the other batch as well. Okay, once everything is golden brown and delicious, we're gonna go ahead and take these out and put them on some paper toweling, and then we're gonna go over to our countertop. We're gonna start with some Cool Whip. Go ahead and take that whole tub and put it into a bowl. Then I've got some French vanilla Jello pudding mix. I love using the French vanilla because it's got that really yellow coloring to it that screams vanilla. It is so good. Do you know the difference between regular vanilla and French vanilla? If you do, just let me know in the comments. Okay, once this is all mixed together, I'm gonna take this. Just do it like that. Get all that yummy filling into your piping bag. Perfect. It's gonna be so great. Go ahead and push this down. Got our donuts here. And I'm gonna take this one, and all you have to do is find a really good hole to put it in. That one's not bad. Just gonna stick that right in there. Step right in there, and then we're just gonna give it a squeeze. Get that filling into that donut. So good, look at that, that looks amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this donut. Give it a taste test. That's delicious. Just totally make these such an easy way to make donuts at home.